Welcome to the workshop Rikkers guitars. I'm saying this in English because some people who took part in the raffle don't speak or understand Dutch at all, so that's why I'm speaking English. We've cleaned up the workshop, as you can see, after our ridiculous 14-hour marathon in which the three of us, made this guitar. Since then we have celebrated our anniversary with a lot of people. I think the whole workshop and the showroom was packed with people. We played a lot of music and had a lot of fun. And we waited a few weeks because more people wanted to have to buy a ticket. So lots of people have actually just donated to the Driving Popschool, which is great. Thank you. And a lot of people have bought tickets to win this guitar. And as you can see, hundreds and hundreds of tickets have been sold, and they are all here in this thing. Names are in here, the email addresses have been made invisible, so that's all good. What we're going to do now is, I've got Niels with me he is the chairman of the foundation Driving Popschool. Yeah. He will do the actual drawing of the ticket. Daan is actually filming now. I'm going to take over from him because we're going to put some confetti in the air. Let's go!
So I have to catch one, huh?
Stir it up a bit.
Very good. The pressure's high.
The pressure is...
there we go.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah, ready for it?
It looks spiky. Yeah.
Have you got one?
I've got 5.
Okay, just pick
no,
one. Nee,
drink
verder.
one.
Nee, verder. Nee,
No,
Niels.
Okay. I haven't seen one, so. And this will be it.
Yes!
So I give it.
Yeah. Show it to the camera.
Danny van der Meer.
Danny, congratulations. Let's put it to... Yeah, Danny van der Meer. Congratulations, you have won this guitar. This was our project for our 40th anniversary. We were very glad that we could support the Driving Popschool. Before we go, I would wish to say a really big shout out to David Moso, who completely documented the whole day and made a really marvelous film about it. Let's say we'll see each other in 10 years with our 50th anniversary, and we'll come up with something new.
And thanks for all the donations from all the children of the Driving Popschool.
Danny van der Meer, congratulations, the guitar is coming your way, we will contact you. Bye!
Bye.
Hey!
Dit was hartstikke leuk.
Oeh.